So my experience with the PTM last week was actually amazing because the execution was totally flawless. So when I say flawless, I mean right from the social distancing norms, because the parents were called at different times and the teacher was sitting at some distance, and the parents were moved in such a manner that all the social distancing norms, the sanitization and everything was followed accordingly. But more than the social distancing and of course the safety of the parents and the children, what actually struck me was the kind of feedback which was given by the teachers, because you see the teachers have had only virtual access to the children, but the kind of feedback which they gave for the children in terms of their developmental needs and the strong points was very, very specific and to the point and relevant. And then the kind of suggestion which they gave for the board exam was also very, very specific. So I wish the Rainbow School all the very best for the future endeavors. Thank you.
I am Ayush Menon's mother. 10th के स्टार्टिंग में वी आर रियली वरीड कि कैसे ये आगे क्लासेस जाएंगे, बिकॉज लॉकडाउन और उसके ऊपर से क्लासेस इवन 10th स्टैंडर्ड, तो काफ़ी टेंशन था. लेकिन जैसे ही ऑनलाइन क्लासेस स्टार्ट हुए और जैसे वो धीरे धीरे प्रोग्रेस हो रहा था, वी वर एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी क्योंकि फॉर द टीचर्स सपोर्ट एंड जिस वे में उनको गाइडेंस मिल रहा था 10th में, वेरी नाइस. एंड एट द सेम टाइम जब हमने फर्स्ट प्रीलिम कंडक्ट किया, वो अलग ही एक्सपीरियंस था आयुष के लिए, बिकॉज घर के ऑनलाइन और ऑफलाइन में बहुत डिफरेंस होता है. जब ऑनलाइन मोड रहेगा तो काफ़ी कंफर्ट जोन में था वो घर पे, लेकिन जैसे ही वो बाहर स्कूल में आया तो फील अलग था और वो उसने मतलब फील किया उस चीज़ को. और द वे पीटीएम कंडक्ट हुआ, टीचर्स ने प्रॉपर गाइड किया, प्रॉपर टाइम दिया, और वी आर वेरी थैंकफुल टू टीचर्स. तो पूरा सेफ्टी मेजर्स था. इवन प्रीलिम में हम जब आ रहे थे तब भी बच्चों के लिए जिस वे में उन्होंने मेजर्स रखे थे, दे वर मतलब एक्सट्रीमली कमांडेबल. So we are always grateful to teachers for their support and for their kindness. Thank you.
Myself, Mrs. Manik Pawar. My daughter is in 10th standard. She came here for the prelims exam. Earlier we was very upset ki how we can send the kids to the school. But when they came here and we see all the arrangements of the school, all the safety precautions were taken properly. The students met after so many time. They all are excited very much, but they are not allowed to come together. All the teachers and admin staff, all one take proper precautions to keep the students away. They can talk, but with all the safety precautions. We are not at all worried for the final exams also, for prelims too also. We can start the school offline with the all precautionary measures. Thank you so much. At last, I would say to thank you to the Rainbow management and all the staffs for taking care of all the precautions and our kids. All the best to Rainbow.
The Rainbow International School has played a very vital role in my students' life, of my son and daughter. They have conducted the offline prelims exams, and they have taken all safety measures. And it is very commendable efforts by the staff. And the teachers are very hardworking here. This is a very good school for learning life lessons. And thank you, Rainbow.
I'm Varsha Surve, mother of Shalvi Surve, who is studying in 10th C in the Rainbow International School. As we all are aware, this year came as a surprise for all of us, for which we were not mentally prepared, and I feel nobody would be. So initially, you can understand the mother whose child is in 10th standard, and the kind of trauma, everything was going on, nothing was concrete, like how is it going on. But then Rainbow International School, as usual, they came up with the plan that we will have the online classes and all. So it was like a new thing for us parents as well as for the kids also. So the online sessions were going on very smoothly. Even the teachers and even the students, for everyone it was a new concept. But the way all the things were handled smoothly, really, I would like to thank Rainbow International from bottom of my heart. And then slowly, gradually, even the teachers got used to it, kids got used to it. Then came the big surprise, that was the exams. Now, initially the exams were conducted online and all, but then it was the necessity thing that the kids should go in the school environment and give the exams, because the board exams are supposed to be done in that way only. So initially everybody was, oh my god, the exams will be conducted in school, will they take care of our kids and all these thoughts were running in each and every parent's mind. But then the way, the kind of what we say, comfort teachers gave us, that you said, ma'am, it's our duty, it's like not your child, they are our children, so we will treat them, we will take their care, and if we are taking this decision, the decision comes with responsibility. And the way school has conducted the prelim exams, I'll say it was just an outstanding effort by entire RIS. The kind of social distancing, whatever precautionary things that were supposed to be taken care, they were really extremely good. Kids, especially when my daughter Shalvi, she came home, she was like, first of all, the kids were very much happy and excited that at last we are getting the chance to go in school and give our exams, and we can see our friends also. And the way the arrangements were done in the school, right from that temperature gun at the main gate, then when the kids come and sit in the classroom, they were made to sit only 12 kids in a class. And there also they took utmost care that the extreme rows are there, that kids should sit in towards the wall, the middle lane kids should sit in the middle chair. So all these small things, they were being taken care. There was a big thought process, I can say, behind all these things. And even after going home, what you are supposed to do, that also teachers were telling the kids. And when it comes from teachers, that kids are sure to follow it. So when they came home, that time also, Mama, I want to take a bath, my teacher has told me this thing, my teacher. So all the small inputs were also given very nicely, and the entire process was conducted very smoothly. So henceforth also I am eagerly waiting for the upcoming second prelim, and this time I am very much pretty sure that it will be conducted very smoothly, because that confidence has come. The way it was done in the previous prelims, so that confidence has come, and even if tomorrow the school is started, I won't have that hesitation in my mind to send my kid or not. I will never think about it. So I would really appreciate and thank you all, entire Rainbow management and all the teachers, and whoever from Rainbow is behind all this thought process. Thank you so much. Thank you, Rainbow International.
Hi, I am mother of Kanik Jain, 10th A. After pandemic, first time he went out for the prelims. We are little worried about his on this pandemic. But after coming to school for exams, we are so much found it good atmosphere, and so much they are disciplined. They have taken 10 students in each class. So we are very impressed about their authorities, and they manage so well the students. So it's so much well planned by the teachers and the organization. So it's really a great effort taken by the teachers, and this gives confidence to student also to come after such a long period of time.